Hello everyone, my name is Luis Tienda, and I am the product manager for LED drivers here at Fulham. I would like to welcome everyone here today to today's LED driver webinar. Today I will be talking about our new product line branding, as well as announcing some new product releases. Today I'll be talking about all the new LED driver brandings and the new models of drivers which are being released, as well as the legacy models and the benefits of each family. We currently have 7 new brands which we'll be covering today, with each one having their own distinct characteristics that differentiates them from each other. This allows for the end user to easily be able to distinguish between each family and determine the best possible solution for their needs. Under the WorkHorse brand, we'll be launching 2 new models, our 75 watt and 100 watt programmable constant current model. These models are 0 to 10 volt dimmable down to 10%, with the option to set the low end dim level wherever an application calls for higher than 10% dim level. These models also have an increased surge protection of 6 kilovolts from line to neutral and 10 kilovolts from neutral to ground. They also have an IP66 rating with an option to order an IP67 version if needed. Of course, minimum order quantities will apply. The warranty for these 2 new models is 5 years. These models will be CULUS listed Class P, however, we will offer a version that does meet CE. Here we show all the models currently under the WorkHorse brand, which is made up of the 2 new driver models I just discussed and 2 legacy models. The 2 legacy models will be our 96 watt and 60 watt programmable constant current drivers. These models will also have an IP rating that's higher and have higher input surge protection. The 96 watt model is dimmable down to 10%, while the 60 watt model dims down to 1% and is dim to off capable. The 60 watt model can also work alongside our SmartSet PC software, which allows for more features to be accessed, such as setting a customizable dimming curve or setting up the NTC curve. All models under this brand work with our TPSB-100 handheld programmer. In summary, the benefits of the WHCC Workhorse family is that they are suitable for outdoor type applications that require Class 2 outputs, applications where the driver meets a minimum of IP65, as well as require higher input surge protection. The extruded enclosure helps with improved thermal performance for those higher ambient applications. They can also be used in applications that call for bi-level dimming by using the 0 to 10 volt wires and setting a minimum dim level. Under the WorkHorse specialty grade brand, we will be launching 6 non-class 2 high-powered driver designs ranging from 75 watts all the way up to 320 watts. These programmable constant current designs are offered in various models that have various combinations of output current and output voltage ranges. They will be made to order with applicable minimum order quantities. These models are 0 to 10 volt dimmable down to 10%, with the option to set the low end dim level wherever an application calls for higher than 10% dim levels. These models also have increased surge protection of 6 kilovolts from line to neutral and 10 kilovolts from neutral to ground. They have an IP66 rating with an option to order an IP67 version if needed. However, minimum order quantities will apply. The warranty for these 2 models is 5 years. These models will be CULUS listed Class P. However, will be offered in a version that can meet CE. Here is the breakdown of the models which will be available for ordering. As you can see, most wattage options can be ordered with a combination of either 60 volts DC or less voltage range with a higher output current range, or a combination of a lower output current range with a much higher output voltage range. So in summary, the benefits of the WHSG Workhorse specialty grade family is that they are suitable for specialty types of applications, such as in commercial or industrial spaces, which will typically use non-class 2 outputs. Applications that require the driver to meet a minimum of IP66, as well as have higher input surge protection needs. The extruded enclosure helps improve thermal performance for those higher ambient applications. These models can be used in applications where you need to achieve a greater than 90% system efficiency, and can be used in applications that call for bi-level dimming by using the 0 to 10 volt wires and setting a minimum dim level. Under the ThoroLED brand, we will be launching a total of 3 new models that are programmable constant current. These are intended for indoor type of applications and will be offered in a 30 watt, 50 watt, and 85 watt model. The 30 watt and the 50 watt models are now available for purchase, where the 85 watt will be launched in late Q3, early Q4, with samples being available sometime in August. These models are 0 to 10 volt dimmable down to 1% and are dim to off capable. The models come standard with an auxiliary output and NTC connection. These models are fully compatible with our TPSB handheld programmer as well as our SmartSet PC software. The warranty for these 3 new models is 5 years. These models will be CUL US listed Class P and meet CE for 220 volts AC through 240 volts AC input. Here we show all the models currently under the ThoroLED brand, which is made up of the 3 new models I just discussed and 3 legacy models. The 3 legacy models will be our 40 watt linear, 60 watt linear, and 60 watt compact constant current programmable driver. The 40 watt and 60 watt models are dimmable down to 1% and are dim to off capable. These models work alongside our SmartSet PC software, which allows for more features to be accessed, such as setting the output current, the minimum dim level, enabling or disabling dim to off, and setting up the NTC curve. All models under this brand work with our TPSB handheld programmer. In summary, the benefits of the THCC ThoroLED family is that they are suitable for indoor type of applications that require Class 2 outputs, applications where linear form factors are needed, along with push-in connectors to allow for ease of connection. These models will be UL listed and have CE under a single model. They are flicker-free and dim down to 1% and to off. They will also have an auxiliary output that can be used to power a separate sensor or accessory. They will also come with an NTC connection, as well as having certain feature sets that can be accessed simply by using our handheld programmer. Under the Pony brand, we'll be launching a total of 7 new models that are current selectable, intended for indoor type of application. These models range from 20 watts all the way up to 60 watts. They come in a linear form factor and have flying leads. These models are 0 to 10 volt dimmable down to 10%. They have 3 separate predefined selectable current options that are within 50 milliamp intervals of each other. The warranty for these new models is 5 years. These models will be CUL US listed Class P. We will also offer these same models with add-ons that will be made to order. These versions with add-ons will have applicable minimum order quantities. Such available add-ons for ordering will be to have connectors instead of wires, the addition of an auxiliary output, having a flicker-free output, and the driver being CCT selectable. In summary, the benefits of the PYCC Pony family is that they are a cost-effective solution for indoor types of applications that require Class 2 outputs. Applications where linear form factors are needed. These models will be UL listed. They are dimmable down to 10%. They have 3 output current options that are selectable within 50 milliamps of each other. They have made-to-order options that allow for added features at a bargain price. Additions such as adding auxiliary output, CCT select, and have low flicker, all under a single model. Under the SugarCube brand, we'll be launching a new 65-watt programmable constant current model that is intended for indoor types of applications. This model is also tri-dim, in which it is dimmable using either 0 to 10 volt, triac, or an electronic low voltage type of dimming method. It has the capability to dim down to 5% and dim to off. This comes in a compact form factor with flying leads. The warranty for this model is 5 years. It will also be CUL-US listed Class P. Here we show all the models currently under the SugarCube brand, which is made up of the new model I just discussed and 6 legacy models. The 6 legacy models will be either a 15-watt or a 30-watt model in a linear or compact form factor. These models will also have fixed output currents. They will be dimmable down to 10% with either a 0 to 10 volt or triac dimming method. In summary, the benefits of the SCCC SugarCube family is that they are suitable for indoor types of applications that require Class 2 outputs, applications where very small or compact form factors are needed. These models are also available in various dimming model options that will have either fixed or programmable output currents. Programmable models will be compatible with our TPSB 100 handheld programmer. Models will be either UL recognized or UL listed, and they will be dimmable down to either 10% or 5%. Under the EliteBlue brand, we have one legacy 40-watt programmable constant current model intended for indoor type of applications. This model can be used as a 0 to 10 volt dimmable driver and later have capabilities to add on either sensors or wireless communication, such as Bluetooth mesh via the available RJ12 port. This model is dimmable down to 1% and is dim to off capable. The model comes standard with an NTC connection. This model is fully compatible with our TPSB 100 programmer and SmartSet PC software. The warranty for this model is 5 years. It is CUL-US listed Class P and has CE. In summary, the benefits of this EliteBlue driver is that it allows for future proofing of a fixture design by allowing the OEM to implement sensors or wireless communication protocols in the future without having to switch driver models. It is suitable for indoor applications and will be UL listed as well as having CE. The driver currently has a Bluetooth mesh radio, which is available today, as well as various types of sensors and accessories that it can be paired with. Under the IceHorse brand, we have 8 legacy models ranging from 20 watts all the way up to 100 watts and either 24 volts DC or 12 volts DC models. These are intended for various types of applications such as refrigeration, signage, or specialty types of applications. They are either non-dimmable or 0 to 10 volt dimmable models with the capability to dim down to 10%. The warranty for these models is 5 years. They will either be UL recognized or UL listed. We also have new models launching under the IceHorse brand coming in late 2023. In summary, the benefits of the IHCV IceHorse family is that it allows for use in various types of 12 volt DC or 24 volt DC constant voltage application, such as signage, refrigeration, or specialty types of application. They are suitable for use where Class 2 is required. These will be either UL recognized or UL listed, and they will come in either 0 to 10 volt dimming or non-dimmable models. These drivers come in linear form factors with flying leads. This concludes today's webinar, and I would like to thank everyone today for joining me.